work ahead of him.
Wow.
Well, I'm sitting out here with Mr. Notorious's stuff, and he's not even here himself. We got drivers, we've got storage facilitators, we got spectators, but no owner. Everything from that car needs to go onto this car. I told him it was coming. Oh, you told him, I'm sure, that it was coming.
Yeah, I told him I was leaving Lindsay around 3, so...
The guy's on holidays. You think he'd be here.
Yeah, come on.
Should call him, tell him his stuff's here. Where are you? Why are you at home? Your cars are here.
What?
I said your cars are here. Why are you at home?
Because I didn't know my cars were there.
You've been notified, I'm told. They're getting picked up now with tractors and stuff, so.
You got your GoPro
Yeah.
there? Alright. I'll get some footage.
Yeah. Hopefully, like,
What's that?
hopefully it doesn't, like, wheel off or fall off the forks or something.